been on the BPC for 3 months now. I've had chronic back pain for years, seen several different surgeons, surgery candidate for sure, gotten 3 or more different cortisone shots. Nothing seems to help. BPC, 3 months, and I'm like pain-free, which is like a miracle. And never have I ever had no pain before in my adult life until now, which is completely crazy, but it seems to be working. I tore my pec, and everything that I read said it'd be several months, like up to 3 months to heal. And like it's been 3 weeks, and I've been injecting it right in there direct, and the BPC. And I mean, I don't think I'm 100%, but I'm a lot better off now. Also been taking the CJC up in Moreland for 3 months. I feel great. I didn't feel great, and I feel great now. I got more energy. I sleep better. I think that's probably the biggest thing is my sleep. I take it at night, once a day. 30 minutes later, I'm sawing logs. I feel great. And I used to wake up in the middle of the night like 2, 3, 4 times, and then I wouldn't be able to fall asleep. And now if I do wake up at all, I just fall right back asleep. So it's awesome.